How's it going, guys? I was going to make a video about how many spools of filament I've used since I started printing like a year ago, but the truth is I have absolutely no clue. I got a bunch right here. These are mostly used spools. Those are new. I got a box of that's full of black PETG filament that still needs to be finished up. Got a few right there. That box is full of new filament. Got some filament around here, just sitting over there behind other printers. And then let's see if I can show you just the ceiling so you don't see how much of a mess I have in here. And then I've got, this is all empty filament boxes and spools. That box is completely full of more spools, and then another box below that, and then I've got some sitting around here. Anyway, if I were to make a guess, I've probably gone through, geez, I really have no idea, at least 100 spools of filament. I go through like about 2 spools a day, so yeah, it's been going that way for a while. Anyway, hopefully that was interesting enough to captivate your attention. So if not, sorry, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.